Now, students, see page number 31. I am reading this paragraph by the demand for Indian indigo. So, try to understand and listen carefully. The indigo plant grows primarily in the tropics. Primarily means basically. Where? In the tropics. Tropics means part of the earth surface. So, between the, we can say, the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So, indigo plant grows in the tropical area. By the 13th century, Indian indigo was being used by cloth manufacturers in Italy, France, and Britain to dye cloth. 13th century. During the 13th century, we can say that indigo was being used by the manufacturers, cloth manufacturers in Italy, in different, we can say the parts like Italy, France, Britain. Why? For coloring cloth. However, only small amounts of Indian indigo reached the European market and its price was very high. So the very less quantity of indigo which was supplied to the European market, as well as the price of indigo was very high, costly, so that European cloth manufacturers therefore had to depend on another plant. Because of these reasons, they had to depend on another plant. Which one? The plant was called woad, underline woad, to make a violet and blue dyes. So they were dependent on wood for coloring cloth. Being a plant of the temperate zone, now wood, the indigo plant grows in the tropics area, as well as the wood, such type of plant which was cultivated where? In the temperate zones. Temperate means moderate temperatures in these regions, temperate zones regions, so not extreme. So plant of wood which was cultivated, wood was more easily available in Europe, so that easily available to the European traders, manufacturers. It was grown in northern Italy. So where the wood was grown? In northern Italy, southern France, and in parts of Germany and Britain also. Worried by the competition from indigo, now manufacturers, producers, now they were worried because of the competition from indigo. Wood producers in Europe pressurized their governments to ban the import of indigo. So they pressurized their government to stop the import. Import means bring in the import of indigo in their countries. Now I am reading this paragraph. Try to understand. Cloth dyers, however, preferred means liked indigo as a dye. So they liked indigo for coloring. Indigo produce, why? Indigo produce a rich dye color. So they liked, so they preferred indigo. Because of the rich blue color, it produced a rich blue color. Whereas the dye from wood was pale and dull. So wood, we can say the produce a light and dull color. So they disliked wood. By the 17th century, European cloth producers persuaded their governments to relax the ban on indigo import. Now here situation different. Now they persuaded their governments to relax, to cancel the ban which was on indigo import because they liked indigo. The French began cultivating. French also started cultivating means we can say the growing indigo in Saint Domingue in the Caribbean islands, the Portuguese in Brazil, the English in Jamaica, and the Spanish in Venezuela. Indigo plantation also came up in many parts of North America. Plantation also started in many parts of North America. Now, see the last paragraph. By the end of the 18th century, the demand for Indian indigo grew further. Demand for Indian indigo increased automatically. Why? Because of some reasons. Britain began to industrialize and its cotton production expanded dramatically, suddenly, because of the industrialization. Cotton production also expanded means increased. So they needed indigo to dye cloth, creating an enormous new demand for cloth dyes. While the demand for indigo increased, its existing supplies from the West Indies and America collapsed for a variety of reasons. Now, West Indies and America, both of them supplied indigo. Now, their supply also suddenly collapsed because of variety of reasons, so many reasons here which are not mentioned. Between 1783 and 1789, the production of indigo in the world fell by half. Production also decreased by half in the world. Cloth dyers in Britain now desperately means extremely, eagerly looked for new sources of indigo supply. Now they were looking new ways, new sources for the supply of indigo. From where could this indigo be procured? Procured means obtained. So they needed supply of indigo. So from where they could get indigo? We will read in next clip.